Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So today we are introducing a brand new kit by Makartt. It is called Ocean Couture. You can get this right now from December 10th to December 14th. If you do, you get a free gift with the kit. You can also use my 15% off Babygirl nails code to save you some coins. So it comes with this really cool Makartt picker-upper. It's very sharp, very nice. I really like it. It comes with these beautiful glitters, like an iridescent glow. Very, very gorgeous. I believe there are 12 in the kit. I used 2 colors from the kit, from this set. And then it also comes with a whole bunch of goodies. Some butterflies, some of them are neon, some of them are like mirror image, like a mirror image. Some of them are iridescent, and then it comes with flowers. And then it also comes with a whole bunch of AB rhinestones, and then just regular crystal rhinestones right there on the bottom. And then it comes with these bigger ABs, and then again the regular size, all different sizes of them. I love the top row. These are the big ones. I love those. All different shapes and sizes of those. I'm using my Couture XXL Extreme Coffin, and I'll show you the side profile view, and the XXL Extreme Stiletto. Love, love them. We're also going to use the other Makartt kit right here. If you guys haven't grabbed it, go grab it. $61.99. Take advantage of my coupon code. I am using one color from the kit. I'm showing you right here which color that is. It's like a beautiful like minty green. And I'm going to be using the base and top coat that comes with, no, I'm not using the top coat, but I am going to use the base coat that comes with the kit. Alright guys, go ahead and prep and prime your nails. I am using the Olsen peel off base. You're also going to prime the tips with a primer or an e-file. Alright, here's the unt, and I put a layer of just one coat of that on. Now I'm going to go in with the Makartt base coat from Cuticle to Free Edge. Once you are done, cure that for 30 seconds in your light. Okay, now I'm just going to pick out the glitters that we're going to use. I use the white one and I use the blue one. And then I am going to go in and get a couple of the butterflies. I don't use too many of them. I'm using isopropyl alcohol as my slip solution. And trying to match the butterflies up to the colors. I'm using these here. Alright, I'm going to go in with my base coat, put a pretty good amount of base up at the tip from the center to the tip, and then I'm going to add my beautiful glitters that they sent, along with a couple of the butterflies. Now I don't show me doing all 5 nails, but I do them exactly the same. I just put the glitters in, like I said, from the tip to about the center, and then I flash cure. That way the glitters are not going to go anywhere when you add your poly gel. You do want to make sure the glitters are laying nice and flat before you cure that. But I think I do go ahead and show you one more nail. Yep. So I'm doing that to all 5 nails, and then it's time to add the poly gel. Okay, so going in with this color, I go from about the center to the tip, and I don't put too much in there, but you do want to make sure when you are, stretching it down, you're going to go from side to side, making sure you cover the entire underside of the nail I don't go all the way to the cuticle because it makes it easier when I go to about the center of the nail. I will flash cure as you see me do here. That way when I flip it over, I'm not getting it all over my fingers. You'll see what I'm saying. Alright, so now I go in after I have flash cured the other polygel, and I'll add my cuticle polygel, spread that out. It's really nice and thin, it's not thick. I will show you the view of the nail on the underside right here. See how thin that is? Alright, then you're going to apply it at a 45-degree angle and flash cure that. There you go. Nice and smooth underneath. Everything looks good. You don't have to worry about any filing as long as you get it nice and thin. Now if you do have a lot of bulk on the underside, just take an e-file and file that. So again here I go from the tip to about the center of the nail, smooth that down, go from side to side making sure it's covering all of that nail. And then I will freeze cure it. And then I go in with the cuticle polygel, smooth that out, making sure it's nice and thin, not too thick. Now with these deeper C-curved nails, you may need a little more polygel at the cuticle area. But just don't do it too thick or you're going to have it gushing out everywhere. Okay, so there you go. And then here we go again, smooth it out. Go from side to side, making sure you still have that nice C-curve under there. Now this polygel kit that I'm using, the Eberouge or whatever, however you say it, it comes with some beautiful shimmery colors. I have reviewed it in the past. You guys definitely take advantage of this kit. It's going quickly. And like I said, with the new Ocean Couture kit, you can get it right now until December 14th. And if you order it in that time period, you will get a free gift. Alright, and then I continue the rest of the nails the same way I did those three. Now we're on the last nail. I do a full 60-second cure, shape, file, buff, and then come back to add the Gucci stickers. These are some gold Gucci stickers. I love them. I love using stickers whenever I can, whenever I think it looks good. Now this one I thought was really cool. I put it all the way down the center of my nail, and it really turned out cool. I love the way this looked. So what I did was I just pinched it at the end there because these were stilettos, and then I just trimmed it, and it just fit perfect. Just perfect. See? I loved it. Okay, so I just continue to add the Gucci stickers all over the nails. Guys, there are a few different websites, actually quite a lot of websites that carry these Gucci stickers. So if you are interested, I will try and find a few sites and stick them down below for you. So we're using the Makartt rhinestone gel glue, and we're using the matte top coat also by Makartt, and that is another kit that I review in the next upcoming video you guys will see. It comes with a top coat, a base coat, and that matte top coat that I'm going to use. So I'm going in with the Makartt gel glue to adhere these beautiful rhinestones they sent. I really loved those big ones. They were so pretty. And like I said, they come in all different shapes. And then I go in with the matte top coat. I freeze cure each nail, and then I'll do a full 60-second cure at the end. Alright, so after I finish, I do a full 60-second cure like I said, and then I go in with my Cafe Nail product cuticle oil. You can get that at www.cafenailproducts.com. I do believe she's still selling that, I'm not sure guys. But here are the finished nails. Yes, they are matte. I figured they would look really good in the matte. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I really like how I paired the stiletto with the coffin. I think it looks really cool. So again, here's everything that I used. The Ocean Couture kit. It is on the Makartt website for, I believe, $26.99. And like I said, if you order it before the 14th using my discount code, you also get a free gift. So here's the underside of the nails. I did do a top coat under there. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, subscribe if you're new. Click the notification bell. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.